Alright, this is Algebra 2, Chapter 4.3, Dividing the Polynomials. So we're going to be looking at the lone division and then followed by the synthetic division. Let's get started. Okay, so this is number 8. So we're going to be using a lone division to solve this problem. First of all, you want to put 7x over here. So you'll get 7x cubed plus 7x, and we're going to be subtracting. So that 7x cubes are going to cancel. Now I have x squared minus 6x. So we're going to multiply by positive 1. I can cancel out the x squared. Now the x squares are canceled. The remainder is negative 6x minus 1. In order to make the remainder equals to 0, we can multiply by, we're going to write a fraction. On the bottom is going to be the divisor, so it's going to be x squared plus 1. And the top is going to be the remainder, so negative 6x minus 1. So we're going to be subtracting the same product as the remainder, and everything is going to equal to 0. And this is going to be your quotient. So let's take a look at number 10. So if you guys look at the dividend, we're missing x cubed and x squared. So which means that when you are writing the lone division, you want to write 0 for both of them. Now we're going to try to get rid of the 4x to the 4th power by multiplying 4x squared. So we're going to get 4x to the 4th power minus 12x to the 3rd power minus 8x squared. So we're going to be subtracting it. The difference is going to be 12x cubed plus 8x squared. And let's bring down the positive 5x. In order to get rid of the 12x cubed, we multiply by positive 12x. So we have 12x cubed minus 36x squared minus 24x. So if you subtract it, you're going to get 44x squared plus 29x. Bring down the negative 4 and multiply by positive 44. We get 44x squared minus 132x minus 88. So if we subtract it, we're going to get 161x plus 84. Now the degree is less than a divisor, we can just go ahead and put plus and put the fraction. Put the divisor there, x squared minus 3x minus 2, and the numerator we're going to put 161x plus 84. So you'll get 161x plus 84, and you subtract it. Remainder now is 0. And this is your answer. So number 12, we're using a synthetic division. And first, we're going to take a look at the divisor. You want to set that equal to 0. So x minus 2 equals to 0. Add 2 on both sides. X is going to equal to 2. So in the box, we're going to put 2. Next, we're going to write down the coefficients of the dividend. So it's going to be 4, negative 13, and negative 5. Let's go ahead and work on the problem. So we're going to put 0. You're going to add it. So 4 plus 0, that's a 4. So we're going to use 2 times 4. That gives you 8. Add it. That's negative 5. 2 times negative 5 is negative 10. You're going to add it again to get negative 15. So this is your remainder, and this is your constant, and this is your x. So you can write the answer as 4x minus 5, and for the remainder you can put plus negative 15 over x minus 2. which is the divisor. Number 16, let's go ahead and set the x minus 1 equals to 0, and x is going to equal to 1. And that's what you're going to put in the box. So we're going to list out all the coefficients. So 3, negative 5, but we're missing an x. So you want to think of it as 0. So when you list it out, it's going to look like 3, negative 5, 0, and negative 2. Let's go ahead and start with the synthetic division. We'll start with the 0. So 3 plus 0 is 3. 1 times 3 is positive 3. Add it, that gives you negative 2. 1 times negative 2 gives you negative 2. Add it, you're going to get negative 2 again. 1 times negative 2, you get negative 2. Add it, you get negative 4. So this is remainder, this is constant, this is x, and this is x squared. So you can write your answer as 3x squared minus 2x minus 2 plus negative 4 over the divisor is x minus 1. For number 18, let's go ahead and set the x plus 5 equals to 0. So x is going to equal to negative 5. So that's what you're going to put in the box, negative 5. So if you look at the coefficients, this is going to be 1, positive 4, but we're missing an x squared, so you're going to put 0 for the x squared, and then followed by positive 16, and then with negative 35. So it's going to look like this. So let's go ahead and do a synthetic division. Start with the 0. 1 plus 0 is 1 times negative 5, it's negative 5. Combined with positive 4, this is going to give you negative 1 times negative 5. This is going to be positive 5. Add it, this is a 5, and 5 times negative 25 is going to be negative 25. Add it, gives you negative 9. Multiply by negative 5, it's going to be positive 45. So your remainder equals to positive 10. So 10 is the remainder, negative 9 is the constant, 5 is the x, negative 1 is the x squared, and positive 1 is the x cubed. So let's go ahead and express the answer as x cubed minus x squared plus 5x minus 9 add to 10 over the divisor is x plus 5. And that's your answer. Yep, that's it. Take care. Good luck with your homework.